today I want to show you some of the different controls on different forklifts. So I'm sitting on an electric forklift with completely different controls. But trust me, this is like one of the easiest. You don't have like so many gears to play with, not many control levers. Everything is all around here. So all you need to do is just put your hand here. It's very comfortable. It's like a joystick with all the controls in one place. So this one is very easy to operate. If you want to put the forks up, you pull towards your side and the forks will be going up. And if you want forks down, then you push forward and the forks will be going all the way down. And then if you want to tilt backward, then you can see you pull in on your left. If you want to push forward, you pull outside on your right. It's as easy as that. Like again, I'm gonna repeat that again. Push inside, tilting backward. If you push on your right, you're tilting forward. If you pull towards your side, the forks are going up. If you push down, the forks are going down as well. Side shift, this is another button here. Please just show me this button so that I can see this button very well. This button, if you push that side, the side shift, push that side, you're also side shifting left, right. Left, right. It's as simple as that. So lastly, what I want to show you is that this is like a double forks. There are many forks here, and this control here is the one for extending and retracting the forks. So if you do that, pull it towards your side, you can see what is happening to the forks. The forks are actually expanding. Okay? And if you push it outside, then the forks are actually coming inside. So that's how you can collapse the forks in and out. Lastly, it's just simple as that. Like the hood is also right there as well. So there's also another forward reverse gear. If you want to drive forward, you just make sure you're in a forward movement, neutral position, reverse gear as well. I'll just recap on these controls once again, family. This one is very easy. Everything is in one place. You either pull the forks up, or you push the forks down, or you tilt backward, or you tilt forward, or you extend, pull out all the forks, because this is the mouth forks. You can as well do that while you're actually pulling up at the same time. So you can as well push forward the button and then the forks go in, and you can side shift or left shift as well, and then bring the forks down. It's as simple as that, family. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have enjoyed that training. All good. Thanks.